Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am super excited because the MM2 Summer event is finally here. My guinea pigs are squeaking. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm super excited, and this is my first ever MM2 video that I've ever done. And the reason why it took me forever to make my first MM2 video is because I really wanted to wait for like an event or something to happen so I could finally make a video on it and I could finally get started on it. And a new game has started, so that's pretty much what we're doing. I think I'm on now, so we're over here. So this is my first time I think playing on this account. Well, I played MM2 before on a different account, but this is like my other account. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know this, but these beach balls are the coins. Ooh, what's going on over here? Oh my goodness. So what this game is about is that there's a murderer, sheriff, and a bunch of innocents. So I'm currently innocent. And somebody, you don't know who, okay, Victory, what's Victory? Okay, I think the sheriff got rid of the murderer. But if you guys don't know, you basically, there's a bunch of innocents, there's a murderer, and there's a sheriff. So as you guys can see, this was the murderer and this was the sheriff. So you gotta like help the sheriff, us innocents gotta help the sheriff, and we gotta also stay away from the murderer. So that's pretty much what it is, in case you guys haven't heard of this, but yeah. Beach resort. And also this brand new map is absolutely just, I love it. Like, look at this. This is so much better than last year's. Like every year they do like this summer thing, and this came out yesterday, but I wasn't able to film a video yesterday because it came out the time that, well, I didn't know until like my phone. I just went on my phone and was browsing Roblox because I like to browse Roblox to see brand new games and I add them to my list or my favorites. Okay, I'm innocent. And I realized that there's a new summer event, and I couldn't do a video on it because I have limits on my phone, so I wasn't able to do it. But today I'm finally able to do it, so that's pretty cool. So this came out yesterday. So there's also hiding spots, like you can hide over here, and there's a sitting option, but I don't have it. So I'm over here. I'm gonna grab these beach balls here, right here, and if you go into the shop, there it is. Right here is the summer event. If you click on it, there's battle pass, mystery box, get money, leaderboard. So the leaderboard basically shows how many people have gotten these coins, and the mystery box is basically this, but I only have 14 of them. Here's this right here. You spend like Robux, which I think is crazy for this. What's a battle pass? Okay, right here I get to claim, ooh, ice cream. What does that do? So I'm guessing you buy a tier, and that's 800 of these beach balls. Ooh, summer key, flamingo, leaves, coconut stickers, summer key. Okay, what happened? A hero saved the day, so that's pretty cool. So I'm currently on level 8 because I did play a little bit of this, I think a couple days ago. But today I'm playing the summer event. We're gonna do mansion too. I love the mansion. Okay. So we're just gonna wait, and up here there is some other stuff. I think this is another, what is that? Is that like a hotel or something? What's in here? Ooh, okay, so this looks like this is like another house or something. Can you go in here? I guess not. Okay, there's a new game starting. Oh, Murderer. Oh my god, I've never played Murderer. Well, I have, but not on this account. But this is like gonna be like first time. So I gotta like, try to be careful what I do. I don't want anybody to know that I am. Let's check in here. Is there anybody in here? Nope. That's probably the worst hiding spot ever. Okay, I think, is there anybody here? Oh. I gotta run away. Gotta run away. Oops. I gotta collect these beach balls right here. Okay, it's kind of hard being murderer because it's like you gotta be like very careful of what you do, and like what happens. What just happened? I think I just saw something real quick. Okay, I'm just getting all these coins here. There's a lot of people outside, but not a lot of people in here. Is there anybody over here? Well, there's my first one. Is he alive? Is he alive? I can't tell. I'm just gonna stay away from that. Is there anybody in here? They have already checked in here. Oh, there's a lot of coins in here. I'm just here grabbing all these coins. Oh, my coin bag is full. It's 40? I thought it used to be 30. Oh, I thought I saw somebody. I swear, I think the coin bag used to be, I think it used to be something else. I think the limit used to be like 30, I think. Am I wrong? I think I am wrong, but I wouldn't know. There's a lot of people out here. Wait, he's got an ice cream? I got an ice cream too. I got ice cream too. I just have to pretend that I'm not. Okay, I think I'm gonna go inside now because I feel like people are like suspicious of me because it's like been so long. I gotta hurry up because it's currently, I'm just gonna go outside and just do it. I think they know it's me. I think they know it. Oops. He was the sheriff, I didn't know that. Can I throw? I can throw. I'm not good at throwing. Uh-oh. Okay, gotta try to get the sheriff. He's gonna go on there and try to get me. How come I can't get up here? I'm stuck. I literally could have gotten him, but I got stuck. How come I can't throw? Wait, I can throw now. Wait, there's somebody up there. They were up there the entire time. Oh, I missed her. Okay, we only have 9 seconds left. Guys, I'm so bad at being murdered. It's crazy. Okay, game over. It's because I took so long. I'm not good at being murdered. That's why I don't like being murdered so much. Ah! Get away from me! I hate when people do that. It's so weird. Okay, yeah, I am not good at that. Okay, I want to check this place out. I think I had time to check it. Yeah. Is there like a secret like place here they can go in here? What's that? Oh, wait. Did I just do something? What did I just do? What is this? Wait, is there secret buttons that you can push? Where's like the other buttons? Wait, a button here. Where are the other buttons? There's a button here. There's a secret button behind that plant. Is it already pushed? Okay, I have no clue. What are these secret buttons? I mean, that looks like a secret button, but I don't think that has anything to do with it. Like, let's see how many beach balls I have. Okay, I have 54. I still don't have enough for this. What's in leaves? I'm not it. I'm just here to get all these beach balls. Oh, wait. How did he know it was him? How would you know? Wait, maybe I have no clue how he knew that. How did he know that? Okay, we only survived 8 seconds. Okay, what's over here? Okay, there's like a little like thing here. Okay, wait, there's something over here, I think. Oh wait, no, there isn't. It's just like some kind of like button. I do want to know what all those buttons are. Because I did not know that there was buttons, but I just like, what was that? But it looked weird. Where are the other secret buttons? Is there a button here? There is a button here. There's a couple buttons here. Click that one, click that one. There's another one. Where's the other one? I thought I saw it. These games literally start so fast. It's like we don't have time to explore the actual map. If I hide in here, is that a good hide spot? Probably not, because I feel like everybody knows about that. Okay, I guess you're just waiting. Or I just get out and just get the beach balls. Okay, I think that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys want me to make a much longer video, definitely leave this video a like, and I'm pretty sure I might make another video of me getting like the knives and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys like this video, and I really like this. I really love this new map that we have here, and that's pretty much all I have for today, and yeah. Bye guys, don't forget to like, bye.